Hello and welcome. Today we're embarking on a journey to cultivate not just a garden, but a piece of joy and peace right outside your doorstep. Gardening is a deeply fulfilling practice, a conversation between you and the earth where you nurture life and it in turn nourishes your soul. So let's put on our gardening gloves, feel the earth beneath our fingertips, and together we'll begin. Our first step is to find the perfect spot for your garden, a place where your plants will feel truly joyful and ready to thrive. Most plants are energized by sunlight, drawing energy from at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Walk around your yard slowly and observe how the sunlight dances across the space. Remember, the key is to find a space that sparks joy for both you and your future plant companions. Now that we've found the perfect spot, let's prepare the soil, the very foundation of our garden. Begin by gently removing any weeds or rocks, treating the earth with care and respect. Next, we enrich the soil, just like adding a touch of fragrance to a freshly cleaned room. Compost infuses the soil with nutrients, creating a nurturing embrace for your plant's roots. This is where the real fun begins, selecting the plants that will fill your garden with life and beauty. Each plant should spark joy and resonate with our personal style. For beginners, I recommend starting with easy-to-grow vegetables like tomatoes, lettuce, or herbs. Now, with gentle hands and hearts filled with anticipation, we'll plant our seeds or seedlings. Each seed holds the promise of life, a tiny spark of potential waiting to unfold. Read the instructions with care, noticing the recommended planting depth and spacing as you tuck each seed or seedling into the soil. Visualize its roots reaching down, anchoring themselves in their new home. Just as we nourish our bodies with water, our plants too need regular hydration to thrive. Watering is more than a chore, it's an opportunity to connect with your garden, to observe its subtle cues. Water deeply, allowing the moisture to penetrate the roots, and then allow the soil to dry slightly before watering again. As you water, visualize each drop revitalizing your plants, their leaves becoming more vibrant, their stems reaching taller with gratitude. A garden, much like a tidy home, requires regular maintenance to maintain its harmony and balance. Take time each day to stroll through your garden, observing your plants with a gentle and attentive eye. Are there any weeds vying for space and resources? Gently remove them, thanking them for their role in the ecosystem before bidding them farewell. Remember, a healthy garden is a resilient garden, and early detection is key. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the joyous occasion of harvest. After weeks of nurturing and care, we are finally ready to reap the rewards of our efforts. Approach your garden with a grateful heart, acknowledging the journey that brought you to this moment. As you harvest your produce, give thanks for the earth's bounty and the nourishment it provides. This is the true joy of gardening, the connection to nature, the satisfaction of growing your own food, and the abundance that fills both your kitchen and your soul. And there you have it. Starting a garden from scratch is easier than you think. It's about cultivating joy, not just in the final product, but in the entire process. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination, and every moment spent nurturing life is a moment well spent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next video, ready to explore more ways to cultivate joy in our lives, one seed, one plant, one mindful moment at a time.